Hello everyone, this is Helga and let's study English together. I play football, he plays football. This is the lesson for today. Let's see what's the difference. In this video we are going to practice present simple and I have 26 sentences for you. Let's start. We will learn positive sentences, negative sentences, questions and question words. And in this video, we will starting with positive sentences. Let's see the rules. In English, when we're talking about a positive sentence, we start with subject, verb, object and adverb. Let's see the present simple. We use verb first form plus for he, she, it, we add an S suffix. If you don't know what is a verb first, second and third form, please watch this video now. You can find a link below. Also, if you don't know the S suffix, please watch this video now. You can also find a link under this video. Let's practice together now. Please listen and repeat. Number 1. Do you know what is the correct sentence? I play the piano. Listen and repeat. I play the piano. Number 2. He plays the piano. Listen and repeat. He plays the piano. Number 3. We cook every day. Listen and repeat. We cook every day. Number 4. Julia cooks every day. Listen and repeat. Julia cooks every day. Number 5. They play tennis. Listen and repeat. They play tennis. Number 6. Peter plays tennis. Peter plays tennis. Number 7. You wash your hair twice a week. Listen and repeat. You wash your hair twice a week. Number 8. Emma washes her hair twice a week. Emma washes her hair twice a week. Number 9. Food costs a lot of money. Listen and repeat slowly. Food costs a lot of money. Food costs a lot of money. Number 10. Shoes cost a lot of money. Again slowly. Shoes cost. No costs. Cost a lot of money. Shoes cost a lot of money. Number 11. Peter and Tom play basketball. Peter and Tom play basketball. Number 12. Tom plays basketball. Listen and repeat. Tom plays basketball. Number 13. Lisa likes apples. Lisa likes apples. Number 14. Lisa hates mushrooms. Lisa hates mushrooms. Number 15. My brothers do their homework in the evenings. My brothers do their homework in the evenings. Number 16. Adam does his homework in the evenings. Adam does his homework in the evenings. Now it's your turn. This is your homework. There are 10 sentences and please use present simple and write in the comments below. If you are shy to comment here, you can also email me. Please comment under the video, email. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.